Hello everyone, this is me Ratna Thapa. I welcome you in my class. As I have shown you lessons name here, and I hope you know very well that which lesson I'm going to teach you. Well, very right. I'm going to teach you the lesson that is computer virus. Let's start our work here with contents. Contents are definition of virus, examples of virus, types of virus, sources of virus. These are the contents of computer virus. Now, first of all, you have to know here what is computer virus. As I have mentioned you here, four ways definition here. I have mentioned here definitions in four ways. You read which you feel easy, and then you can read and you can write. By first way, I have mentioned here that is a computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto user's computer without the user's permission and knowledge. It means you can say here computer virus is a program or software which may loaded onto the user's computer without the user's permission and knowledge. And this computer virus is developed for bad purposes. By second way, you can define it. Computer virus is a parasitic program written intentionally to enter in a user's computer without user's permission and knowledge. By third way, you can define it. A computer virus is one type of malware that inserts its virus code to multiply itself by altering the programs and applications. The computer gets infected through the replication of malicious code. By this way, also, you can give the definition of virus. But fourth way, you can define it like this. A computer virus is a special kind of computer program that spreads across disk and networks by making copies of itself, usually secretly, and can produce undesired side effects in a computer in which it is active. So by this way also you can define computer virus. But among this which you feel easy, you can write the definition of virus. So in a simple way, easy way, you can say that computer virus is a program that may enter in our system and it may damage our data and programs. It may enter without our permission and knowledge. We have example of virus also. They are I love you virus, rootkits virus, bootkits virus, macmake virus, cascade virus. These are the examples of computer virus. Now you have types of computer virus. We can classify it under major categories according to the nature and the infect in a computer system. We can classify into four types. Types of computer virus are four. They are message carrying virus, boot sector virus, system infector virus, and application infector virus. First of all, come to the message carrying virus. What it can infect, you have to know here. This message carrying virus do not infect the computer program and do not damage any data and information. Just it will display the interesting message or the funny message. It will display the pictures, dialogues, etc. So this message carrying virus do not infect any computer program or data and information. Just it will display the interesting message, picture, dialogue, etc. Now number two, boot sector virus. This boot sector virus will damage the diskettes, hard disk also. How it will be active? If you will use the infected boot disk to start your computer system, at that time the boot sector virus will be active and it may damage your system. This virus infects boot sectors, master boot record, full form of MBR is master boot record, FAT, full form of FAT is file allocation table and partition table. So this boot sector virus infects the boot sector, master boot record, and FAT and partition table. So when you will use infected boot disk to start your computer system, at that time this virus may enter in your system and they may damage this boot sector, MBR, FAT, and partition table. Now, third one, system infector virus. This system infector virus will infect or damage the system files. We have system files here such as io.sys, ms-dos.sys, command.com. These are the system files which helps to start our computer system. Without this file, we cannot boot our system. So this system infector virus will damage the system files such as io.sys, ms-dos.sys along with command.com. So once again, message carrying virus only display the message. Boot sector virus infects the boot sector, MBR, FAT partition table, and the system infector virus damage the system files such as io.sys, ms.sys, and command.com. Now you have fourth type of virus. They are called as application infector virus, or you can say program virus. You can say anything, either application infector virus, either program virus. This virus will damage the computer programs or the files having extension .com, .exe, .obl, .drb, .sys, and .bin. So this application infector virus will damage the computer programs which will have extension .com, .exe, .ovl, .drb, .sys, and .bin. These files will be damaged with the help of this application infector virus. So, once again, what does it infect? This application infector virus will infect the computer programs having the extension .com, .exe, .ovl, .drb, .sys, and .bin. These files having extension, this one, are damaged by this application infector virus, or you can say program virus. Now you have new category of viruses are found. There are two types. They are called as multi-packet virus and document virus. You can say document virus or macro virus. This multi-packet virus will damage the computer programs along with boot sectors. All boot sectors may damage by this multi-packet virus. And the document virus will damage or infect the MS Office documents. How does it will infect? So when you will open any infected document, at that time virus may enter into your system, then it may damage your MS Office document. Once again, multi-pattern virus will infect computer programs and boot sectors, and document virus will damage or infect the MS Office document. How does may enter in the computer system? When you will open the infected document in your computer, at that time it will enter, then it will damage the MS Office documents. Now, how do computer virus spread, or what are the sources of virus? So here are the some sources such as booting PC by infected media. If you will boot your computer system by infected disk at that time, virus may spread in your system. Number two, when you will open infected file at that time also virus may enter. Third, email. If you will open the infected email at that time also virus will enter. When you will use the network and the storage device, infected storage device, internet, at that time virus may spread in our computer system. So these are the sources of virus such as booting PC by infected medium, opening infected file, email, network, storage device, internet. These are the sources of virus. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Once again, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.